Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. Hope you guys enjoyed the last vid. And if you're new here, go watch those. They're really cool. Now, Geometry Dash is a very good game. I literally have a channel on it. But it could be so much better. Although it's not very hard to make it good. But instead of just deleting map packs, which would make this game like the game of the year, we're going to make a whole new game. So now, Geometry Dash 2 is being made. Although it's now called Cheddar Dash because branding. Hey Dale the Wizard. Why did you call me by my name and then my job? Because it's the first time the viewers can see you. Oh, that's cool. Hey guys. So do you have like a computer specifically with Scratch on it? Yeah. Do you care if I borrow it? Yeah. Wait, what? Yes, I care. So I can't borrow it? No, it's fine. But it is a small inconvenience. I hate inconveniences. Dude, you literally make me beat a challenge every time I want to get into the dark room. That's a big inconvenience. You literally hired me to do that. You didn't hire me, so you could take my computer. Oh my god, dude, can I have the computer? Yeah, but it'll annoy me very much. Alright, thanks, dude. Alright, now, we are gonna make Cheddar Dash. And I've actually already made a game, kind of like this game. Okay, so how? Okay, this is annoying. Why is it doing that whenever I scroll down? Alright, everyone. Now, I am on mobile, which makes this kind of annoying. But we'll be fine. Alright, everyone. Cheddar Dash. Now, what do we need to do first? We obviously need the cube. And I'm pretty sure I have a file saved of my cubes, or of my cube, Grims, and Orcas. So maybe right here. Also, how'd you guys like the thumbnail? That cube was pretty cursed. Oh my god, that was terrible. Okay, so no, crap. How do I? Yes. So what I'm gonna do is when spacebar clicked, or when I see jump. Now, oh, I forgot that happens whenever I make a variable. So I would say I'm a pretty good scratcher. I can like do some stuff, but I'm gonna make this game work on mobile. It's just like, you know, not yet.
Not yet.
Please, okay, what is happening? You see, this is why I hate doing Scratch on mobile, because it's not good. And it's especially worse when I'm in this screen, because I'm usually... Okay, yeah, what's happening there? That's what I usually code in. So it's a lot worse. Well, I should make these from now on. I like how I just, like, not scroll as much. Another version, I just, like, move around all the time. Okay, so, like, glide to Y11, maybe? I got this. Glide. No, glide 1 second, but then we're also gonna add, so the X isn't gonna change. We're still gonna be on the X position, and then we're gonna glide. It's gonna take us only 1 second. Could go to -11, and then, wait. Why? Okay, there. Wait, that might not work, because... well, maybe it'll just be like... Okay, so I'm gonna have to get these in two different ones, because... Just because... So then you actually spin correctly. Okay, no, Exogen... We're also just gonna broadcast jump when, wait, I don't even know this. We're just gonna broadcast jump with space clicked. Alright, oh, wait, why is it, oh, I'm so smart. Wait, okay, so, yippee! maybe it'll do like, so look, wait, what's 15 divided by 2? 7.5. Don't worry, guys, I may look stupid, but I'm not. Even if I have a dinosaur brain. Maybe I am. I just tried to double 12 and I said 14. So I'm great at this. Oh wait. Doing. And then we're gonna glide back down. Snap back to reality. Also, I'm gonna be putting the link to this game. Oops. I'll be putting the link to this game in the description if you want to play. Oh, and also, white. It'll look better when I have a background. Trust. Wait, I might. Okay. I am actually gonna make a background, although this is, dude. Stop! I swear. This is just temporary. It's a weird gray background. Temporary. Okay, there. So, spike. Alright. Now I gotta add the code for the spike. Well, first, what I'm gonna do, right? So right now, oh god, forever. So right now, I am making it so whenever it touches the spike, it will, like, just, I guess, hide itself. You'll just kind of be gone. If I move this, boing, yippee. Wait. Okay. Well, first I'm gonna move the spike. Second, show. Yes. Okay. What? See, he's touching that. No, he's not. No, I'm going insane. I swear. I just saw my icon blink. Scope. Jump. Click the wrong button. All right, so ready? All right, I'm done. I'm done attempting this. Okay, so now that we have the spike and it works, I think. Yeah, I don't know. So what I'm gonna add is this little row of code. This code isn't gonna look like anything. It shall be invisible. And when clicked, if I do actually yes, go on. Yes! Okay, I don't know what the problem was. I'm becoming really hot. I don't know how long this session is gonna last. I record under a blanket, and so then it's like, you know, the mic's okay. Jesus Christ, it's hot. Holy cow. Okay. Maybe we'll do like 0.4. 0.4. No. We're gonna get spike 0.4. Spike. And then 0.4. And a spike. And a 0.4. And a spike. Ah! Okay, so now it'll be like goob. That's also jumpable. This one. Oh wait. Oh, did I put them at 0.4? No. 0.1. That's probably possible. I'm not really sure, but I want it to be impossible because I'm gonna add an orb. I'm probably leaving after that. Good lord. Okay, so my goal for this recording or this day, I don't know how long the video will take. My goal is to add an orb. Okay. It's our one goal today. Or, well, for you, it's really just like, you get like a 2-second break of text being like, new recording. And then, that's kind of it. Boom. Boom. Oh, that's a lot of spikes. I'm also kind of, hold on, before we work on the orb, what I'm going to do is, look. All right. Wait. Oh, yeah, I can also just do this. I'll fix that later. For now, I need an orb. Okay, so, orb. It's not gonna be, well, actually, yes, it is. It's gonna be a perfect circle. And then we'll just make the outline white. 10. This orb is good. IG. I guess. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into this guy. Oh my god, I'm so hot. Okay, so when clicked forever if. Oh my god, I'm sweating. You guys can't see it, but when click forever if touching orb. Hold on. This video is probably not going to be entertaining to watch just because of, this thing. Just because of how I'm on like this. Did I click pointing? No. So if touching, not mouse pointer, orb. Oh my god. No, not draggable. Not draggable. Still is for me though, because I made the game. Orb. If touching orb, then we are going to just like. So how much does it launch you? To wait. How much does it launch you to just like do a regular jump? Okay, so it sets you up to 144. We're gonna put you up to like positive 73. We're gonna glide. No, I don't want to do 25. I'm not making the same mistake I did last time. Shoot. Glide 1. And IG, we're just gonna like keep the X, right? Wait, no. X, and then we'll glide down to, where are we right now? I'm not even sure. Dude, oh my god. I set it to 1! Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Oh, well, yeah, nothing happens anymore because I did it wrong. Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead. Boom. Not when clicked. What I want is when I receive jump. So look, now, nothing happens if I just let it go. But then if I boom. It's touching spike. Dang it. What? Oh my god. Where am I? Like, where did I go? Wait, why am I invisible? Invisible man. What? Dude. when I receive jump. So, I'm a dunce. Okay, I want to get this orb to work. So look, what if I just do new message and like, I don't know, orb. We're gonna call it orb. Is that gonna get confusing when I want to spawn in the orb? Yes. We're gonna broadcast the orb, and then when I receive orb, we're gonna do that. When I receive jump, we're gonna broadcast the orb. And when I receive orb, we're gonna do that. So then jump should only last like a second. Yes! Okay, so look. Now, nothing happens. You just run into the orb. And, okay. When I receive jump, if touching the orb, it go to exposition. No, we want to set it to like 138. Oh. Wow. So why am I teleporting? Sorry. Kind of forgot I'm recording. I don't know, man. I'm gonna fix this later. See you guys. Bye. Okay, so when we do this, we're gonna glide up, but then we also want to. So what I'm doing right now is I want to glide back down. So when I hit this orb, oh, I don't teleport anymore. What? Wait. What? Dude, what? Hold on. Is there no... Oh, wait. Why'd I... One click forever if touching spike. We're gonna hide, alright? Okay. So, also, when click forever if just means it will always be checking. Because if you just do if, that's only, like, for, like, 1 second. Okay, so now, the game works. Now, oh, wait, no. Now, oh my god. Oh yeah, you can kind of double jump. That's a little weird. I guess event triggers exist. Although it probably shouldn't take 2 seconds for you to go up and down. So, because look, you're really slow. So what I'm going to do is maybe it'll be like 0.5 and then also 0.5. Okay, now, yeah, that's a lot better. No! Okay, so you can still just, like, jump forever. Before we deal with that, we're going to deal with the orb. Okay, so what's going to happen is when I receive, orb go... Why was go correcting to 2? It's going to go there. We're also going to create clone. And then when I start as clone. So we're going to go there. Wait. Okay, so we're going to start there. And then we're going to... Why is it green? Okay, I must have switched the color effect. Okay, so then it's just gonna glide to there. Wait, yeah, so it's gonna glide 1 second there, and then it'll stay in its Y position. Okay, then is that too fast? 1.5. Okay. 1.5. For the whole order thing. in between here, we're going to broadcast orb go. Like, randomly in the middle. So then... boom. Oh! Yippee! So, I don't like how it's like that, but it'll be fine. Okay, so what I want to do is, because you can just, like, infinite jump right now. So, I would like to change that. So, what we're going to do is broadcast. Space, key is pressed. Broadcast jump. Which then, that'll be if, and then we got to make it, no, we'll just use this one. If equals, sure, we'll just do, like, if my variable equals 1. So what we're going to do right now is, look, when the space key is clicked, we're going to set my variable to 0. Wait. So now, right, let's say my variable is at 1, we can jump. Then it's at 0, now I can't jump. What I'm going to do is, once you've hit the ground, you're going to set my variable to 1. And now, also when click, we're going to set it to 1. So now this should work. Okay. Okay, I was clicking, but okay. So we're going to zoom in. All right, so hear me out, right? Crap. Okay, we got this. So boom. We can't jump forever. Now we can. Yes, you can't infinite jump. Although, if touching orb. Oh, yes. Although, what about, like, the orbs? Because I don't think the orb's going to work. Yeah, so the orb's not going to work. So, look. Ready? If... Can I get, like, if not touching? Go to... What? And then we're just going to broadcast jump. Or no, we're going to broadcast orb? No. Yeah, we're going to broadcast jump. If else, if my variable's wrong. Yeah, I think that'll work. I don't ever, like, use the like, if else thing, so I hope that this works. Okay, normal jumping works.
So you can tell everybody.
And then when I receive spike air or something, like, yeah, spike air. So this is going to be the spike that's, like, in the air. I know, every time you want to place it, you got to make a new thing. So when I receive spike air, what we're going to do is we're going to glide, you know, simple. We're just going to we're going to go to, we're going to create a clone. Create clone myself. When I start as this clone. Ooh, wait. This is problem because what if, like, shoot. You know what? Maybe I'm only gonna use, like, one spike air. When I receive spike air. go to wherever it is. So where is it? Go here. Show. Glide here. But then we're gonna keep the Y. And then we're gonna 1.5. So now what should happen is boom. Boom. Yes. Yeah, and then so maybe it'll be like a fake orb. Okay. All right, so now we got that done. And then what we're going to do is wait one second. We're going to broadcast. We're going to do a double spike, I guess. So what? Wait 0.1 seconds. Yeah, we're going to wait 0.1 seconds to broadcast. Then another spike. And then we're also going to broadcast an orb there, but we're also going to broadcast a spike there. Now, okay, so before we actually play this, one little thing I want to do. So what I'm going to do for this is it's basically just going to allow you to, like, yeah. So what it's going to do is it should allow you. Okay. I feel like that works, but does space work then? Look, now. Look. Yeah. Alright, everyone. You know what's happening? Boom. Space doesn't do anything anymore. Alright, now it's time to build the level. Then we're going to play some of this game a bit more, and yeah. Like, at all, but don't ask why it moved down right there. So, yeah. Honestly, bro, the gray background's probably better. Okay, well, see you guys. Oh my god, this looks terrible. Wow. Wow, that was a very long video. Thanks for sticking around and seeing it, unless you just skipped to the end, because if you did, you're lame. But hope you guys enjoyed, and the link to the game that I made will be in the description, including my other game, Clay Shop, because I want people to play. I don't know, I just kind of want to. Hey Dale, want to help me for this segment? If you do, meet me in the discussion room. Alright, we got a comment to discuss, Dale. Want to read it? Sure. Thanks, Boda2, for commenting. He only said hi. Hi to you too, bro. Yeah, hey, Boda. I hope I'm not mispronouncing it. Sorry, I'm not saying I hope I'm not saying that name wrong. Thanks for saying hi. Alright, see you guys next time.